Liberty? All right, we have moved inside the house because it is triple digits in Texas, record heat every single day it seems like, and I don't want to sit in that garage longer than I need to. So we are going, we are going to bust open this M4 exhaust and see what we got inside for the ZX4RR, and then we will go get installed on the RR in the garage here in a minute. Liberty's helping us today, huh? Liberty's helping us. Good girl, Libby. What do we got? Is it for you this time? I don't think you're gonna like this one. It's not for you. Not for you, girl. What's in the box? All right, before we get into that M4, we also did purchase a O2 plug so we can block that O2 plug-in on the exhaust. We've already disabled that on our ECU. We will be sending our ECU back to David at V-Cycle-Nut to have it retuned now for this exhaust. He did work with the full M4 exhaust and has a tune specifically for it. Alright, so here is our full package from M4, and you see they've labeled everything nicely. They kind of wrote on every piece where it belongs. We got a really good set of instructions from M4 as well, which include images throughout the process, so it is should be very straightforward. I appreciate M4 for all their detail in that area. I basically decided to go with this one. I've been on the wait list for Graves for a while, and I wanted to get that full titanium exhaust from Graves. I believe that would probably have the best performance, but I just really started to like the price point on this M4 better. So the day that it became available, I went ahead and placed my order. I shout out to Graves. I think that they have a great product. I just think that for the price, I couldn't pass on this M4. Especially with mine being a race bike eventually. I would hate to crash that Graves exhaust and have to spend, you know, well over $2 grand to replace it. So we decided to go for M4, a Texas company. I live down in Texas, so I like to support them. I've had M4 previously on my ZX6 and really liked it. There is a spot in here. Let's see if we can get this on camera. There is a spot where you can screw in a baffle, it looks like. There is not one included in this kit, but it looks like you could include one in there if you needed to. We have, of course, our carbon fiber bracket to go around that muffler. And then we have a hanger that they've supplied as well. So this hanger will replace our rear bracket on our peg that the exhaust currently mounts on. And then we have all of our pipes, our mid pipe here, the collectors, and everything is labeled really nice. So we're gonna get this assembled here in the house before we go sweat it out in the garage. Some of the other pieces that they include in here is an extension so you can reroute your O2 sensor so that it can reach to the correct position on the mid pipe here. In our case, we have already disabled our O2 sensor and we won't need that extension. We're going to remove our entire O2 cable from the bike. We have a plug that I purchased separately. This did not come with the M4 system, but I'm just going to unplug my O2 sensor. And then also you'll see there's a black bracket here. This is going to be used if you are attaching it to your stock foot peg mount to mount your exhaust. So that will be used in that case. In our case, we are getting rid of our foot peg and we're going to use the bracket that they supplied here.
Perfect.